All right, all right, all right. Another day, another dollar. I'm sure everybody saw the action. We were up pretty aggressively this morning. At least aggressively after such an aggressive move. And what are we looking at? 731 to a low of 651. Almost an 80-point swing. Yes, I'd have to say. Yeah, it's a pretty big move, but we are making a higher high and a higher low. We do have this area to test right here. I think my first sign of support is probably around 546. So we'll watch that. I think we're going to consolidate in this area for quite some time. Maybe get a little push up for this Christmas rally, but I think we're looking like we have a pretty good consolidation there. If we look at the fib, I think I fibbed it somewhere. That might have been on another screen. That's all right. We'll just fib it. Oh, I think those might be fibs. Yep, they are. Look at that. Okay, so really, we made 61.8% retracement, which is a natural retracement, and we closed pretty much around the 50. So I wouldn't be surprised if we made another move up tomorrow. And headed for that high maybe again tomorrow. I do believe. So I'm going to keep my eye out for that and see if I can get involved with the directional doing that. Even on the 60-minute, I got to say that I'm feeling rather bullish on the 60-minute. All right, that's cool. I'd like to see that. I mean, we could see that 546 over the next few days and stay in a consolidation. But at the moment, I have a bullish bias. Let's take a look at some good ones. AMD getting beat. Traded pretty much like the S&P, made a higher high. Adobe beat up the market a little bit. On the 60. Why can't I see that? Yeah, I'm feeling a little bullish on the 60. I don't see an entry yet. But I'm feeling good. You could chip away at that on dips. I like it. I like the Costco, giving you another opportunity to get in it. It didn't make another high today. Kind of tested that high and traded off, but didn't quite build that tweezer. 66.49, 66. Yeah, it did make a little high. So, really this bar is still trending, and it closed above the 8-day. I mean, it looks good. I don't think that, well, it's got a wee bit of a divergence going on here, although this is a low peak, and then this is a high peak. I don't know that you're going to buy it too. Maybe you might get a chance to get it at 540 again, but I don't think you have to sweat it for the $9. And you can get involved with it. Bank of America, I like it. Oh, yeah, that baby's just getting ready to go. I mean, this isn't really a trading situation. You could just buy it anywhere. It's looking bullish to me. I'm bullish on it. I'm bullish. The Diz, you could just chip away. Honeywell. That's just getting dragged down by the NASDAQ. Let's see, you got a good 4 points in it tomorrow. Looks pretty good. I mean, I would like to see it make, come around, make a little bit of low, and then take off. But I'd start chipping away here. Could just move up, close up this gap, maybe even hit the area right around here, 215, and then turn around. Yeah, it doesn't sound unreasonable. 215, and then roll around, make a higher low, and then start its march. Honeywell, HON. People have asked, what do I like on the dips for the rally? This is what I like, but I'm looking out further than the rally. I'm not looking to do the get rich quick thing. You know, I've been screaming about Aberdeen Physical Palladium. Nice hammer, popped up nicely. I mean, if you got in it when I had started talking about it, it probably hurt a little bit right now. But nothing to fear. I mean, you know, oh no, you're probably close to about a break even somewhere around here. I like space. I liked AT&T. I like the dividend. They're backing out on the dividend. I don't hold it anymore. I got rid of it. You know, I like TBT because this is the interest play, interest rate hike play. So, I mean, it's just inevitable. It's a matter of time. So, this is something you should start putting away. I mean, I bet this time next year it's at 28. That's my expectation. I like Viacom too. I think this is a good. It's damaged goods right now, but I think I could see about $64 a share out of this. It's just certainly taking its time getting moving. And XOM I unloaded, and Verizon I'm still holding. I always like Verizon. Pays a nice dividend. Um, it's nice and cheap. Could have been cheaper, but you're only like $2 off the bottom, so you can't really argue about that. Broke through the trend line, and away it goes. So those are the babies I like. They're doing well. This is one of the Coinbase ETFs. I would stay away from that right now. I mean, these are the people who are getting hammered, the Reddit people and the Robinhood people. So I mean, I'm not even looking at the meme stocks anymore. It seems like that fad is over. I'm sure there'll be a time again for them. Hopefully, some people made some money. So anyway, that's it. We're gonna see what goes on tomorrow. Tomorrow, I believe is either triple witching or quadruple witching. I think it's quadruple witching, because I know that there's a 12 o'clock settlement tomorrow. So on some class options, so that may be a quadruple witching. So you might get some volatility, or that could be what this volatility was today. But I think we're in a good place with the market. I think everybody's comfortable. We have New York pitching about the new variant. It's going through the roof. I mean, that shit's going to happen when you live one on top of another. And they're also bitching because they need funding because they're broke. Cuomo really beat the hell out of them with the budget. Terrible budget management. Gotta love the Democrats. All right. So anyway, hit the subscribe and hit the bell. I appreciate that. And hit the like, man. You're listening to me. Hit the like. I should have said it in the beginning in case you don't hold out to the end. But hit the like. Hit the like. Hit the like. Hit the like. It goes a long way for me. And I know that people are appreciating it. So everybody who's hung in with me, I appreciate that. And thanks for stopping back in. So everybody, just be calm, cool, be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.